This is the lift at Bromley Mall.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Sadly, I never got to film this when it was original.
Going up.
Because it's a ThyssenKrupp MRL, but it has been modernised by Access for a very good reason, because it used to have keypad floor selection, which in my opinion is the stupidest thing. I mean, it's only got 5 floors.
5.
Why would you put keypad on this? Here we're at 5. It's very dark in here. Bloody hell.
Doors open.
That made one heck of a clonk, didn't it?
Going
Go back to
down.
ground.
Please mind the doors. Doors
No, but
closing.
that one's been replaced, look, because there's no braille on it. Bloody hell, that brake makes a noise, doesn't it? Yeah. Keypad floor selection for a lift with only 6 floors is pretty stupid anyway, so I kind of don't blame them for replacing it with this.
Ground floor.
That's the first floor. Oh no, no, it's ground. Bloody hell, that
Doors
brake makes a
open.
noise. Here we are. It's tiny, narrow doors.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Those.